Hello friend, thanks for tuning this channel. Today's tutorial we are going to see how you can organize your layer panel. How can you structure out all the layers inside the folder. Generally while working our layer panel is this the way, and while we are focusing too much into creativity, so we are not focusing too much to organization, and I'll show you the tips and tricks. So this layer palette easily you can change into very organized and very disciplined manner under 2 to 3 minutes. So let's begin. So we are moving to first this Photoshop file. In first stage we are going to check our layer panel. Most of the time while designing we focus on to more creativity and the design aspect. We are not focused that much on to organizing our file. That case it might be happen, so your layer palette will be full messy and which don't have any organization. But once you complete your work, it is always very good habit to organize your layer palette with the appropriate folder and the file name, layer name as well. So here we are going to create few groups, and under that we are moving these all the layers. So at the moment we are not giving that much of detail name to all the layers, but we will keep the such a way under the group so we can easily modify or we can easily update that designs in future. So first of all we will create few groups based on our designs. So in this design, since this is web page, so we always web page have the header, footer, top navigations, left menu or left widget, something like that, and this is the center list, and this one is map. So we are going to create a respective folder for it. So while creating and moving this all the layers into particular group, what you need to do, first you need to log your background layer. Otherwise what happen, that always be that background layer will be move with the group. I select with the group and come to the top. So I'm going to show you how it's actually. So this is my BG, so it is already locked, but I'm going to open this lock, so I'll show you. So this is my BG. So whenever you take this selection tool, so once you take this selection tool and you can drag outside from document to here, so that respective layers will get selected. In your file, if it won't get selected, so what you need to do, here is a top on option is there, auto select. You need to go here and just by default select layer. So once you do this, it whatever you select or you drag outside from the document to the particular object, that object layer will get always selected. So I'm going to show you. So this is the first in the background which we are going to select first, and I'm going to lock this layer first. So our BG is locked over here. So now step by step we will go. So here our map is, I clipped this map with this BG. So the second stage I need to make group for this map, otherwise it will also come top and it creates some messiness. So I'm going to create this another group, Control G. Once I create this group, I'll take this group in top of all these things. So you see this map is overlapping this top navigations. So for time being I'm keeping this in top, and I'm giving name this as a map, and I'm going to lock this folder, this group, and I'm going to hide this. Next stage is this entire area where it is, this is the top header which I'm going to select, and I'm taking all the layer into top and going to create that as a group. So you see here below that top navigation get hidden over because of this top header BG. So I'm going to off this, and you can see this. So everything is fine, just we want to give name to this as a header, so I'm going to give that name, these two as a header, and again I'm going to lock this, and then I'm going to select this area, and I'm taking all this layer into top. I'm creating Control G. Once you click press Ctrl G, it's automatically create the group over here. So, and it's by default is taking the name. So then you need to rename it this group. So I'm going to give top navigation name to this particular group. So I have given this name to this. So you see now we have three groups over here. First is map, second one is header, third one is this. So as of now our design is look fine, nothing is messiness or and all moved into inside the group. Now I'm going to off all this, and then I'm going to select this first. I'm going to take this into top. I'm going to create group, and I'm going to give the name is left profile for this group. I'm going to hide this. Then I'm going to select this below that whatever group is there, and I'm going to group this and going to give name. This is a left option. You can give whatever name you want based on the your respective structure or layout, which one is preferable for you. Then after this I'm going to select this list, and I'm going to take this as a top, and I'm going to create group, Control G, and I'm going to name this as a list group, and I'm going to off this, and the last one is our footer. So I'm going to take this top, and I'm going to give name this as a footer. So as simple as you see, whatever wall we created is under 1 or 2 minutes. So we organize our file within 1 minute or within 2 minutes, and you can see this is the unwanted layers we can see over here. So that is not required now. So whatever unwanted layer you can just unlock and delete that. So our all the files will get very well organized, and once it is done you just lock all the layers. You can select all the layers and lock and unlock also, and then you go and change the color all of this green and give this BG as a red. So you see our layer palette is organized over here.